あどうなる。ここからダッシュ。いやーこれはいやーすごい。さあ最後の滝。
この番組はご覧のスポンサーの提供でお送りします。 Alright, so dito tayo kakain for our dinner. It's our welcoming party dinner or whatever. So it's an izakaya. It's pretty cool. So ito yung social na beer house ng mga Hapon. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. It's gonna be my first time and your first time as well.
Hindi ako umiinom.
Hindi, okay lang yan. Dude, ginger ale. How about the ginger ale, man? You gotta taste it. Here we go. It's a cool izakaya, guys. And the Konami team has their own table. Alright, guys. So, nasa loob namin ng izakaya. Christian and the rest of the Konami team are already here. Starting to eat. It's just so nice to be out of the cold. It's freezing outside, sobrang lamig. So here's the situation, guys. We have 2 hours of unlimited everything. The buffet, the drinks, the meat, everything, guys. You know what's gonna happen. Ready ka na ba? Unlimited?
Hindi, yun yung problema.
Ano?
Hindi ako umiinom ng alcohol.
Hindi problema yan, dude. Ginger ale. Ginger ale. Kampai! Yeah! Ginger ale number 1. Actually, sa totoo lang, yung ginger ale nila, medyo ano pa, medyo on the weak side pa. Yung natikman ko ginger ale, parang humahagod dito eh. Pero okay na rin to. Pag mapunta kayo dito, hindi kayo umiinom, ayun yung malasing. Yung ginger ale na lang kayo. Or kaya yung Calpis. You know. Calpis. Alright. First on the table, boys.
For the accent. Likes and views not important if you don't get accent, right?
Ano? Buwan na.
Never tried.
Hindi ka nag-sushi? Saan?
Fresh.
I suggest yung fatty tuna kunin mo. That one.
I'll try later. Mag-isipan ko.
Ginawa mo. Ang bilis mo naman! Hindi ko nakita yung pagkala. Good? Alright. Dip it in soy sauce.
Hindi talaga ako kumakain ng ano, ng mga
Raw stuff.
Okay. Gusto ko,
Gusto niya yung luto? Alright, mga grilled stuff.
ngayon lang talaga kakain ng sushi. Nakatingin na ako ng sushi pero yung tipong konti lang ayoko na.
Di mo talaga trip? Alright. Too bad you're in Japan, bro. Try mo yung salmon sashimi. Yung sashimi, yan.
Ayun. Okay.
Alright. Dakimasu. Opinions?
Ha?
Opinions?
Hindi talaga ako sanay. Malamig una. Pero okay naman. Hindi sa ano eh. Masarap ka na. Hindi lang talaga ako mahilig.
Yan naman. Gusto yun? Alam ko na yung lasa. Chicharong bulaklak. Chicharong bulaklak. Yun yung lasa nitong isdang to. So that. And it's crunchy too. Ano ka? Some kind of scallop? Tikman na yan. Ano lasa? Ano? Anong lasa niya? I mean like, anything to compare with? No. Kakaiba siya?
First time ko makatikim ng ganito.
Very peculiar. Tingnan nga natin. Alright. Kung ano man to, nakamas. It has the consistency of squid, only softer though, and the taste of, it's a familiar taste, but I kind of forgot what it was. However, it doesn't taste like squid. It tastes more like some kind of fish that I forgot. Like, I don't know. It's weird. It's weird. All right, guys, mystery has been solved. All right, this one, that one, intestines, isaw. That was the last thing I would think, isaw. But also, it doesn't taste like isaw. Hindi siya lamang loob yung lasa niya eh. Parang isda eh. Seafood yung ano yung lasa eh. No?
Oo.
Diba?
Makakapal mo na ako marami.
Bigla ako. Karage! Karage!
Karage tonkatsu. Karage tonkatsu. I guess.
Try the food.
Yeah!
Probably some fish.
Tonkatsu sauce.
I have to take care of all of them.
Thank you, sir. Mukhang masarap to ah. Okay. Papanin ko lang, sobrang init eh. Kaya maya inumin ko.
Thank you. Woohoo! Oof! 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 Oh, that's... Oh, nag-fog yung camera! No!
You hit the edge part. But if you want the special, it's like the stick. Yeah, like that. So it's
A little bit red drums with my friends in high school.
Alright, ano, kamusta ang experience mo?
Nakakatuwa. Hindi ako kumakain ng raw food, pero dahil dito sa Japan, raw food ako. Yun lang. Lamig!
Oh, lamig po siya, yun talaga eh. Wow, what the fuck? Ganun ba yung level nyo? Dun sa ano?
Yeah,
Ganyan?
Yeah.
Pagod lagi. Pagod talaga.
Ako pagod. Yun yung sinasabi ko sa iba na mahirap gawin kapag wala kang proper warm-up. Kasi yung stretching hindi siya enough eh. Para maging okay. Kasi yung score nila na yun, compared dun sa record nila, mataas yung record nila. Pero kapag event kasi, ibang usapan. So, pero kung malalaro nila ng maayos yun eh, kung palalaroin mo na sila sa machine, ganun okay. Tapos pangalawa, syempre bago yung cup. Pwede hindi sila sanay. Yun.
Final round. またモチーフくと思います。さあどうだ。残っている残っている。大丈夫。心臓にまで来ました今。息を止めました。ここからは突っ込まないと。点差に出てたんですが、今66点差で抜けましたね。この辺りもだんだん難しくなっているんですが、日本がさばいています。さあ、ここからさらに難しくなる。そして最後のひねった先、さあどうなる。ここからダッシュ。いやー、これは、いやー、すごい。さあ、最後の先。
nangyari? Nangyari?
Si Pepe, grabe.
Diba sabi ko sa'yo, Pepe mo sa'yo eh. Pepe mo sa'yo eh. Love you, Pepe!
慣れきっているっていうところの証ですね。すごかった。これほど言葉にならない戦い、なかなか見れないですね。本当にすごかったです。
選手本当に強かった。そしてライブ選手も本当にかっこよかった。エースコナミアーケードチャンピオンシップダンスダンスレボリューションエース決勝大会、見事チャンピオンに輝きましたのはペムジュ選手。トロフィーをどうぞ。会場から響き渡るおめでとうの声、それは選手の皆さんからも大きな声で向けられています。それではチャンピオンの皆さんをお呼びする前に、
Alright, we're in Shibuya, boys!
Yeah.
Welcome, Hachiko! Right. Can you guys just go down without me so that it looks like a documentary?